Today I wanted to share my favorite moisturizer that I use before makeup and which you also can use. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Blinkit Sush. If you're watching my video for the first time, I make video regarding makeup tutorials, beauty tips and if you've yet not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe because that means a lot for me. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. तो चलते हैं शुरू करते हैं आज के वीडियो। जो नंबर 1 मॉइस्चराइज़र जो मेरी फेवरेट है अभी वो है Sugar Bling Glitter Illuminator Moisturizer in Gold Digging. So now this moisturizer is fabulous. इसमें illuminator glitter भी है। ये आप जब अप्लाई करते हो तो आपको बहुत अच्छा नेचुरल ग्लो देता है। So प्राइमर से पहले जो हम मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ करते हैं मेकअप करने से पहले, I think that this is one of the best moisturizer. The around 500 rupees का, and then this is absolutely worth it product, guys. If you want a moisturizer, if you're looking for the moisturizer before makeup, then definitely go for Sugar. Now, second moisturizer that I use is from Neutrogena. Yes, guys, I use this product also before my makeup. For moisturizing, for hydrating, because ये hydrate करके रखता है all day. ये मैं morning skin care, night skin care में भी use करती हूँ. Also makeup से पहले भी मैं इसे use करती हूँ. So I love this product. So you also can try this product. It is a gel based. It is applicable for dry skin and oily skin, both of them, and even combination skin. So yes. Now the last moisturizer that I'm going to talk about is again from Neutrogena. Now this is a sunscreen plus moisturizer, and yes, it has a SPF 50 and you can still use it before your makeup. ये तो और भी ज़्यादा beneficial है क्योंकि इसमें SPF if you step out of your house, it's gonna protect your skin. इसका कोई टेंशन नहीं है, कलर कोई नहीं है, but like it is natural color, अपना स्किन कलर में ही लेके आता है जब आप नॉर्मली इसको यूज़ करते हो. बट इट हैज़ दैट मॉइस्चराइजिंग, इट मॉइस्चराइज एंड इट नॉरिशेज योर स्किन सो मच that this is one of the best moisturizer sunscreen that I have been using since a very long time. So you can definitely go for this. But if you need a matte sunscreen, then don't go for this because I like a dewy and satin finish. So I love this product. Now you can use your moisturizer of your own choice which has been helping you throughout your skincare, and yes, this is all optional that has benefited me. I'm just giving a feedback and it has been working wonderfully on my skin. And now it has been working wonderfully on my skin, so I love this product. I just wanted to give a review on a genuine based. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you love the video, and if you want such more kind of video, then do comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for giving a valuable time. I will meet you guys in the next video with a brand new one. Ta-da!